Toto ugĩte rĩu nĩ ihinda rĩa kũrutĩra aikari a kaunti ya Bomet wĩra hatarĩ gũthutũkania na oho akoria andũ ethĩ matigakue ngoro mũtũrĩre-inĩ.
I'm so happy having been elected like this, and I'm encouraging young people or young generation also to be courageous in whatever they want to do in life. Nothing is hard with God.
Mwena-inĩ wake Gavana Barchok augĩte ũnyitanĩri wa aikari a Bomet nĩ ũrabatarania nĩguo mahote kũrutithania wĩra na gũtwarithia kaunti ya Bomet na mbere.
I want to attribute this success and this victory that we've witnessed as the residents of Bomet to the hand of God. Of course, we did our campaigns. We got the support of the people. But I think as much as we are doing what is due from our side, at the end of the day, it is the design of God.
Kũringana na eri, rĩu nĩ ihinda rĩa kũingĩra wabici-inĩ, gũthikĩrĩria na gũtungatĩra mũingĩ hatarĩ ungumania.
As soon as we settle in the office, our services will start, and we will not discriminate. I want to assure everybody, those who voted for me, those who didn't vote for me, that siasa is over and serious work now starts.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Mũgai wa Mwaura.